Hi, I'm Alex with Phillips Chevrolet in Frankfurt. I'm here with Larry and Deborah today, who just purchased a brand new 2015 Malibu. Now, Larry, Deborah, can you please tell us a little bit about your experience here with us at Phillips?
I came in this morning just to look for a vehicle, and I was going to go to other locations, but once I was here, I talked to Alex. I stayed here, ended up buying a 2015 Malibu, which is new. I got a great deal, and they're going to back it very well.
Definitely, definitely. Now, would you recommend this to any of your friends and family ever?
Oh, definitely.
Oh, definitely.
Perfect. Well, I thank you very much for your business.
Thank you.
These were awesome.
Thank
and
you.
if you're ever in Frankfurt, stop by Phillips Chevrolet and ask for Alex.